Okay, yeah. Oh, how?
I know, them are so deadly.
You caught anything yet?
Yeah, I did. I just caught one now.
Can you take it off facing me this way, Michael? Michael.
This thing is giant.
Michael, face me this way.
Massive.
Michael, face me this way. Camera's over here.
Guys, I just caught something. Now I'm just gonna take the hook off him. Okay. It's time to go with the buddy.
Michael, can you do it?
Dan, why you can't just do it?
I don't like it.
Hold up, let me. Just had a fish.
This guy's pretty serious about fishing, if you ask me.
Oh, so close. Get off. Wait. I think we had like 10 dinners. Oh, I had a fish.
Okay, now that I'm gonna catch one. Wait, what are they?
He took my freaking bait!
Oh,
My bait.
free meal for somebody.
Oh, bro, it's really on there. Oh. Wait, is this still on there? Yeah, I'm just scared if a big fish will go me.
Oh, it's a baby! It's a baby. I have no idea what is this fish.
It's a big mouth. No, I forget what is it called, but
I had
Bass?
a huge one.
yeah, it's a bass.
I had a huge bass right now.
Oh my gosh, this thing's pretty big. Oh my god, is this a bass? Guys,
So they both got a fish.
Michael, is this a bass?
That looks like a bass, yeah. It's not a sunfish.
Oh yeah, it's a thicker one. It's a thicker one. I remember. Yeah.
They're more of a green color.
Let me put you.
Michael, can you help me? I
No.
can't reach it.
No, he's stuck.
Come on. Okay, wait, hold on. I just need to let it go in the water a little bit. It's still moving. Okay. Yeah, it's a bass. It's a bass. Because the mouth is really big.
Yeah, me too. I caught one too. Yeah, I'm gonna help you. I'm gonna help you.
Thank you so much. Yeah, it's a pretty
Can you
big.
face me this way? Michael, turn this way.
Turn around.
Yeah.
Hit the ground. Yeah. Let's go. Oh.
He got really stuck.
Oh, Michael.
No, put it back in the water. Put it back in the water. He's going crazy. That means he wants to go in the water.
Okay. Okay, yeah. That should be, yeah, that was the easy one.
Yeet.
God, smack!
Dude, it's okay. They'll never get hurt because of it.
A little bit more.
Caught one.
Damn! Dude, that's a sunfish.
Yeah, it's a sunfish. Nice, beautiful sunfish. I love
Or
sun.
maybe a pumpkin.
It could be a pumpkin seed.
Oh, I caught another one.
Ooh.
Oh, it's a little baby.
Okay.
It's on.
It's on full rage mode. He's like, don't catch me.
It's where the gills are. So this is one. Wait, hold on.
This one's gotta be hard, right? I know
Okay, you have to slide it really. Yeah. See, that's the easy one to unhook. Wait.
I'm gonna put him in gentle because he's a baby. Babies are not like them, are really fragile.